Hey guys, what's up? We're back for another vlog! Wow. That's a better intro than, what's up guys, Abe here. They'll be for gaming, I guess. So, today we're going shopping. I think. We're just gonna go look around in stores and just like see what we can find. Because that's the way to do it! That's the way, to do it. Look into the camera. Kimberly. Oh my god. Backing up. Okay, so I think we're gonna go to Goodwill. Because Goodwill's life. And you can find everything you want at Goodwill. And then we're gonna go take a trip on our favorite rocket ship and hit that nene, hit that whip. Then we're going to get certified for everything. Hey look, it's a weird person walking towards us. And it's sort of, he's walking towards us. He's getting in our car. Help us! Okay, he's gone. He's in the car. So yeah, we're going to take a trip on the rocket ship, and we'll be back in a second. Store in Lowe's today. I think it's a first step. I don't know how to do that. This is so weird. I find this is great. You know what it is? I know, weird. Yeah, all this. Don't yell at other people if you're... Okay. It's weird. I haven't really filmed in public before. It's so like, people just stare at you. It's really weird when people just stare at you because you're filming. I really don't care. But I mean, it's kind of unnerving, I guess. Some wood. A cart. Aluminum gutters. Good. Wow, walk it. Yeah. I'll be filming. Today is Sunday. Today's Sunday. I have tomorrow off from school. Since tomorrow's President's Day. It depends what time this gets out. Ooh, sawdust. We love each other so much. Just like, I have no idea who that is, but I mean, whatever.
Wait for wheels.
Oh yeah, oils. You can get all kinds of stuff here. Mainly wood, white wood, more wood, brown wood, more wood, brown wood, steel, white wood. Wow, so many types of wood. Trim wood. People. That's weird. Worker. Agent. I don't know. I'm being stupid right now.
No good deed goes undone.
We're headed to Best Buy. Walking down the street in our car. Wait, walking down the street in our car. Thank you. I know. But we're going to Best Buy. Yay. Because Best Buy. Yay.
Hey, a platform at Home Depot.
We're gonna turn on the TVs in Best Buy. Ooh, in Best Buy, in Best Buy, in Best Buy. We're gonna go to in the swimming lake. Just kidding. We're gonna do a Best Buy motorcycle. Best Buy. Best Buy. Let's go to Best Buy, guys. Now, Best Buy people, take your cameras.
Don't put it back in the car.
So I didn't film in Best Buy because, like, they usually take your camera, but they don't really do stuff to it. They just take it. Yeah.
Taking it in here?
Yeah.
They're gonna say you stole something, AJ. I don't know why you want to bring it in the stores for. Did you get accused of stealing something?
Didn't though. They
I really wish he was going up on his YouTube channel, leave him alone.
Right? You stare at me, you die. Yeah, I didn't film in there because they take your cameras, but I'm filming a good wheel. We're in good wheel. Yeah, good wheel. I guess it's kind of weird. People just steal it. What you doing, Kim? You sure about that? Those are cool. For $4.99. Nope. Not going on. Usually come in here, I find a bunch of Nerf related items. That's pretty good. You see anything? See anything? See anything? swimming. Wow. What is that? Oh, oh. Maurice. I didn't get anything over here.
What's this?
Yeah, there's nothing over there. Someplace. They think I'm just looking at this camera. That's really mine. Nana? Is it good in the microwave? Boop. I don't know, guys. I'm being bored.
Yeah.
Nobody likes me. Nobody likes me. Nobody likes me. God is staring at me with my little camera. 15-inch monitor, $30. No, yes, no, maybe so. Hey, you look disgusting. I thought it'd be more exciting. I thought it'd be more exciting than it is. And it cleared up to me not exciting. And it'd be cute all over you. Hello, Papa. Is this like a thingy thing? Please tell me. I think it's like a cash register, like a thing. Don't know. Dun, 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 dun. Candle, 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 candle. There's a lot of people in the good wheel. They're being scary. Yeah, I'm gonna stop filming for a minute. So I know I didn't film much today, but I think this is where I'm gonna end it. I might do another one today. Tomorrow, most likely, because I have a 3-day weekend. And peace. Is it too late now to say sorry? Sorry, goodbye.